Yeah, good morning, students. This is the another important question in the second unit, losses of transformer. In losses in transformer, we have two type of losses. One is core loss, another one is copper loss. Core loss occur in open circuit, copper loss occur in short circuit. Core loss, open circuit no, so it is called as no load loss. It occur in short circuit, so it is called as load loss. This loss occur in core. This loss occur in winding. Core is made up of iron. Winding is made up of copper. Okay. This loss is indicated as P suffix I. This loss is indicated as I square into R. I square into R is nothing but power. Power loss. Now see here, copper loss, short circuit, winding, I square R, power is equal to I square R, you don't know, P is equal to V into I, V is equal to I into R, so power is equal to I into R, hence this loss is also called as power loss. Now, this is a 2 mark question, losses in transformer. Okay, then the important thing is core loss. I'm telling no, this core loss is a constant loss, also called as constant loss. Then this loss is divided as hysteresis loss and eddy current loss. Okay, I will tell later. Now, next one is efficiency of transformer. What is efficiency? You know, efficiency is nothing but output by input. Here also transformer is a power converter devices, no? So efficiency is equal to output power by input power. Output power, what is output power? Normally power is equal to V into I for DC, but power is equal to V into I into power factor for AC. What is power factor? Power factor is indication of angle between the voltage and the current. So P is equal to V into I cos phi. Output power no, so it is equal to V2, secondary side I2 cos phi. Okay, then after that what is input power? Input power is equal to output power plus losses. What is output power? Just you write this is output power. Then losses, we have two losses no, one is core loss, another one is copper loss. Core loss is constant. Core loss is also called as iron loss. Why? It occur in core. Core is made up of iron. Right. Efficiency is equal to V2 I2 cos phi 2 divided by V2 I2 cos phi 2 plus iron loss plus copper loss. See this? Efficiency. Now what happened? You dividing the I2 in numerator as well as denominator. So divide the I2 in numerator and divide the I2 in the denominator also. You get this answer. Okay. This is the efficiency of transformer. But they are telling to find out the condition for maximum efficiency. Just to get the condition for maximum efficiency, differentiating this denominator and differentiating this denominator with respect to I2 and equating it to 0. Right? Differentiating with respect to I2. Now what happened here? I2 term is there? No I2 term. So it is 0. Then here I2 term is there? Yes. So 1 by I2, that is nothing but differentiation of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. So minus pi by I2 square plus, what is this? Differentiation of x is 1, no? So it is R02. Are you clear? This equation? Okay, right. Now, see this? minus pi I2 square into R02 is equal to 0. No. Now what happened? R02 is equal to, this is the answer. Now P is equal to I2 square into R02. Listen here, Pa is the iron loss, I2 square into R is equal to copper loss. Why I am put R02 means in transformer we are expressing the inductor is X01 for primary, output means X02. Same way resistance input side R01, output side R02. So the output side now, that's why I put R02 instead of R2. Okay, now P is equal to, this is the answer. That is iron loss is equal to copper loss. Once this iron loss and copper loss are equal, we get the maximum efficiency. Very clear? Now listen here, what is this? P is equal to I2 square into R02. So I2 square is equal to Pi divided by R02. Now what is that? I2 is equal to Pi into R02. Now we are considering the load, that is full load means efficiency for full load is full load KVA. You know what is KVA, what is KW load? Actually we studied in the tariff, no? Right. So KVA, full load KVA into what is this? Iron loss, root of iron loss by full load copper loss. Yes. Have you any doubt on this? Okay. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing my channel. Thank you.